There's a planet out there where it rains liquid iron. Meet WASP-76b, an ultra-hot gas giant located 640 light-years away from Earth. On the day side, temperatures soar above 2,400 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to vaporize metals like iron. Strong winds blow this vapor to the cooler night side of the planet, where the iron condenses and falls as molten metal rain. The planet is tidally locked, meaning one side always faces its star while the other is in constant darkness. WASP-76b challenges everything we thought we knew about planets. It's like a world straight out of science fiction. If this is just one planet in the universe, imagine what else is out there. Follow for more mind-blowing space facts.